In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or edit a phone number on your Facebook business page. Let's get started by heading to your Facebook business page. Make sure you're on the correct page and that you have the right permissions to make changes. Being an admin or editor is typically required. Once you're on the page, look just below your profile picture for the About section. This is where Facebook keeps your key business details, so it's the right place to update your contact information. Click About, then scroll down until you find the Contact and Basic Info area. This section includes your phone number, website, email, and other details visitors might use to reach you. Look for the option to add a phone number. Click Add Phone Number and a form will appear. Choose your country code from the drop-down list. Selecting the correct country code ensures people can call you from inside and outside your region without issues. After that, type in your business phone number carefully. It's a good idea to double-check every digit before saving to avoid missed calls or confusion. If you use a dedicated business line or a number that can receive calls during business hours, enter that here to keep your communications professional and consistent. When you're confident the details are correct, click Save. Your phone number should now appear in the Contact and Basic Info section. If it doesn't show right away, give the page a quick refresh. If you already have a phone number listed and need to update it, the process is just as simple. Find the existing number, click the three dots next to it, and select Edit. Make your changes, whether that's updating the country code, fixing a digit, or replacing the entire number, and click Save again. This ensures your audience always sees the most up-to-date contact information. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep your number consistent across your website, business listings, and social profiles to build trust and make it easier for customers to reach you. If you don't want to share a personal number, consider using a dedicated business line or a virtual number for added privacy. And remember, the layout of the About page may vary slightly depending on your Facebook interface, but the Contact and Basic Info section is where these settings are managed. That's all you need to add or edit a phone number on your Facebook business page. Save your changes, refresh to confirm, and you're good to go.